How can we enhance energy system resilience, accelerate renewable adoption, while at the same time remove grid bottlenecks? The answer is batteries. My name is Henrik Lundgren, CTO at Capture Energy, a battery energy storage solutions provider from Sweden. We provide end-to-end turnkey battery energy storage solutions, handling everything from project planning, installation, commissioning, and later operation and service of our battery systems, tailored to our customers' needs. With our in-house developed capture controller, we simplify BESS installations, as well as maximizing our customers' revenues by offering a portfolio of aggregators. With our cloud-based platform, the Capture Cloud, we provide valuable insights into system performance, ensuring reliability and efficiency. From a few hundred kilowatts to tens of megawatts, we help power the energy transition. Thank you.